All right, hi YouTube, I'm back. This is a vlog and we're back with Mela, of course. I think the last vlog was just me having my daughter, and I've been wanted to upload for you guys, but I have been totally busy with 2 children now, and today I'm just getting ready to go get my toes done. I'm trained in doing my toes, but I don't want to do it. I want someone else to do it just to get that luxury feeling that I really need right now. And I have to get the baby back together, so that's what we're doing now. Hold on. So these are her bows, and these are her bows. She has bows everywhere, but this is the majority of them. Some of them she can fit, and some that I guess they're just a little bit too big right now, so they not fitting correctly. But this is baby Mela. Hi, Mela. Hi. You guys haven't seen her since she was a baby. So this is my daughter, my second child. My first daughter is 6 years old. And this one right now, she is she's 4 months. So yes, there's been some time. But let me go ahead and get the bows separated, and then I'm gonna go through the baby bag and I'm gonna do it with you guys. Okay, so this is my daughter's baby bag. It needs to be washed, but it's a light color, so it really pick up the dirt. So I usually use Huggies, but I'm using Pampers right now because it was a gift and I don't want to be wasteful. Mela is looking at me like, what are you doing? She never seen me vlog before, so. And usually when I take out the camera, taking a picture of her or whatever. So this is a pair of changing clothes she had in here, a sleeper. I need to put some regular clothes in there. This is like a breastfeeding cover. Yes, I am breastfeeding. I was eating Dunkin' Donuts yesterday, so there is like a napkin in there. There's a bathing suit because I have plans to go to the beach with my sister. Wipe container. There was still too many wipes in here for me to use the container. I'll use it when I get low. And I don't like when it dries out once I open it and try and put them in there. Or I'll put it on something and it will like really just jack it up. I think she wore this outfit already, so it's dirty. Has to go in a dirty clothes hamper. Yeah, this stuff is dirty. I keep like a little bag in here with like a lot of baby tools. I'm gonna show you guys. So hair ties. It's like a spray bottle. I'm going to start spraying water on her hair, or like some type of water and oil or something, because I like it to look nice and shiny, and she's getting a lot of hair. It's getting thicker, so this is the baby things, the baby stuff. What else I have in here? Hair mismatch socks, and bags for poo diapers, breast milk bags for when I pump. I've slowed down on pumping and just kind of really indulged in just connecting and latching, because I don't like to have too much milk or too old of milk. So I got my supply together and just left it. This is a book. She got her ears pierced. Let me show you guys. The ears. Yeah. So that's her ears pierced, and look at her hair. So much hair. She got them done at Claire, so they gave us some solution. What's this? Okay, so more breast milk bags. I don't need that many in the bag. Pads, because my breasts do still leak, and especially if I'm this was a Valentine's Day card, especially if I'm breastfeeding and I start to like let the milk down, I definitely feel everything running. Extra spoon, more pads. So I have to refill this up with some diapers. Okay, it's a few in here. I had some more paperwork in the bag. I just recently went to the DMV and got my license, so that was something. I haven't had a license in years, so that was very amazing. These are the Huggies, the best diapers right now. And the baby is starting to cry, so I might have to stop. The front of the bag. Mama, what are you crying for? You just went to sleep. She's in that stage where if she hears me talking, she wakes right up. So, and she's not crying too bad. She's getting a little aggravated. I'm gonna stop and handle the baby and then I'll be back. Okay, so there's some things in the front pocket. This is garbage. These are like some teeter crackers that she started. Extra spoons. She likes applesauce and potatoes. I try and give her water as well. Not too much, just a little bit. Gas medicine. I like Mommy's Bliss gripe water. That's the nighttime version. I think it's just a little bit better. Ibuprofen. Well, I use the gas medicine at night, so. And I actually picked it up by accident, but I've enjoyed using it at night. These are some syringes for the medicine. So I can put that back in there. I use a Aveeno baby. I like it. These are everyday. These are extra pair of earrings. Jergens. I also like it. I do not recommend using Vaseline on your child, only because their skin, I feel like they don't need it on their skin. This is something for my breast pump. I use a manual breast pump and I also use an electronic breast pump. These are hair bows. Hair bows definitely. She has so much hair. This one is dirty, so it can go in the garbage. It's like dry. I have a lot of things that came from Dollar Tree. I enjoy it. Tootsie Rolls. My other daughter, I like to have like candy on me. Coupons, of course, for her. She has a vapor machine. When she was first born, we came in contact with like flu and stuff like that, so I wound up buying a vapor machine. This is just like a coupon for like the refillable things. A comb that came out of another Safety First kit. And a Bobo. Of course, this stays in the front. Oh, also the little noses. I think there's a little bit more in there left. Alright. She is right here on me, of course. This is why I've been gone for so long, but it feels right to be recording a vlog. I miss vlogging. And I know you guys want to see her if you've noticed I've been pregnant all this time. And I vlogged it. Alright. So I'm going to just go ahead and pack this bag up. Changing clothes, put the stuff back in there correctly, and Just make as much space as I can because I do not want to carry no heavy baby bag on my back. She's having fun. And what else? Oh, and get myself together and get her ready so I can go get my nails, my toes done. And I'm picking green, a green color. So I'm gonna take y'all with me.
Okay, so I didn't get a chance to fix my hair or anything like that, but I still just left the house because if I didn't just leave, I was not gonna make it out the house. And she was starting to cry, so I decided to come out. She does way better when we're out in public or doing anything, or like something that stimulates her. She's way better. Excuse me. Okay. Now she's grabbing noodles off my plate, so I'm going to eat. I'm gonna try and talk to y'all, let y'all know what's going on, but I have to set the camera up a little bit better and try and eat as well, cause like for me to explain the story, I have to do a story time. Like it has to be a video on everything that I've been going through. Like it has to be like a separate video from the vlog. But just stay tuned. Like don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and cut your notifications on. So when I start to like spill the tea, you get that notification, like, you know, it's up from here. Okay. Alright, so let me put the phone down really quick. I don't know, can I set it up like this so y'all can see me? Because I really like the back camera with the flash on. That was giving better quality, but the lighting here is not so bad. Trying to get my stuff. Look at this big old food in front of us. So where should we tuck it down? Last time I wanted Chinese donuts so bad. This place has very good Chinese donuts. I haven't been here since I graduated from high school. My dad had brought us here before for my graduation dinner. And their food is way better. Like their buffet food actually tastes like the Chinese food like that you order and stuff like that, instead of like the buffet food that just been sitting and you keep giving it to your ass. And try donut. Those are good. At least get some sugar. Get some sugar sweetness. What if they say, you grabbing your fork out? Alright, some noodles. I don't know what this is, but it was the last one. I'm not sure if you're supposed to eat the paper. I don't think so. Can you eat that? Let me see that. Yeah, you can eat it. The way it was crunching, I'm like, you gotta be able to eat that. It's like quiche. It was good. It was the last one out there, and I just snatched it. That's what it is. All the food was really good. I love it. And we came by ourselves, so it's really good. I have to bring my other daughter here. My oldest. Yeah. chicken, sweet and sour. And I had some other chicken on there, what it was. Spring roll. I ain't getting nothing sweet. I like the fried fish. I don't know why that. It seemed like I was picking up so much. So that's all I like. Is that spicy? There's a lot of people coming in now. They're out of school. Alright, so I can't really think of anything that's been going on. And I've been taking care of the baby. Yes, I have gone back to work. I've been in different areas. No, just a lot. I'm kind of just ready to, like, I don't know. Kind of ready to move on with better things. So, just taking care of myself, take care of my mind, take care of my body, taking care of my kids, you know. Just keep going and stay focused on what I really want. And stop trying to, you know, expect anybody else to do better when I'm ready to do better. So, I heard that. For them, a fucking pain in my ass. Because you can't see eye to eye. Like, I'm looking at it. Like, you going good, I'm getting short. We can take care of our baby. But he don't want to see himself going good. He don't want to see him doing good. And it's so obvious. So, I'm not letting that get to me anymore. Just, you know, move about the right way. Working on different times, still getting my toes done. My toes need to be rubbed on. I'm gonna have a nice full belly. I might get my eyebrows waxed. I haven't got them waxed since before the baby. It's been long enough. So when I do my eyebrows, it's not all fuzzy, so they'll look clean. I got a car, so I'm gonna vlog in the car. Which is so important. Me and my kids have a car. We can get around. Take my babies to school. I want to be random. Do what I want to do, move when I want to move, and it feels so good. And I've worked my butt off. Another was like maybe a month when I started working. And I strictly breastfeed still, exclusively. I make it, but it's so hard. I commend all the mothers. I went to work and breastfed. Breastfed still. It's all breast milk. They're all breast milk. And actually just started to eat, as y'all seen. I taste certain stuff. There's no allergies or anything like that yet. that I know of, but I'm allergic to a few things. I just pick and choose what I would like to give her. And of course, nothing that's gonna have her choking. Very grateful for my kids. I'm grateful to be a mom. I'm happy. Very grateful. We can't talk to each other. Nothing. Like it's a lot of stuff that I wanna like talk about. But in this moment, I just want to relax and enjoy my time here, our dinner. And I'm gonna bring y'all along once I get back in the car and bring y'all to the next salon. Okay, so we made it to the nail shop. She's in her baby cocoon. She really never stay all the way in unless she's sleeping. Yeah, it's so nice in here. I can enjoy and pick a color. I like the green color, so I'm gonna look for the specific green that I'm looking for and get it on my toes. We're just enjoying. You can't get out of this thing. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, these are the seats. The seats are so nice. It's so nice in here. It's my first time. I want like the dead skin off my feet. It's so bad. Just enjoy it. And so warm, so good. How do you cut it off? I'm sorry. Can you cut the water off? Oh, cut off? Oh, okay. I'm like, please don't let it. Yes, but it feels good in here. I'm gonna let you guys see how I look after. I don't think I'm doing anything after this, so it'll just be a daily vlog, and then I'll do like an outro and talk to y'all and let y'all know how I'm feeling. There's been a lot of stuff going on today. So much stuff. I'm just gonna relax. Say bye. Say bye. I forgot to tell you guys that I got my eyebrows waxed. So I had them cleaned up. This one is eating. And she just, I fed her before we got in here, but she's still hungry. Now next I gotta do something to this head. I think I'm gonna do a wig. Yeah, I probably feel better. I wanted to attempt to do some duckies on my nails. So I'll see. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys my toes because while the guy was painting them, he was messing them up. Or he said that I was having my feet like this in the machine and not like this, which, you know, is okay, but the guy was making me put my feet at a certain point, whatever. So they came out nice and they're shiny. And I love them. They are so nice. I wish I would have got the footage of him like painting it and everything, because I wanted to do it like, you know, just make it seem make it seem nice, like it was a relaxing thing, like try and catch the moment, which it really was. So, you know, and I ain't make him feel uncomfortable pulling the camera out and shit, so it's okay. Look at my toes. like the color. Light colors always look really good on me. Yeah, they came out nice. Hopefully, like the extra polish, like just start coming off, because I like it to look clean like this one. This one is a little messy, but I do like the shape and everything else. So, okay, I'm about to just go relax and take a shower. I was outside smoking, so I'm gonna just go back in the house and I don't know, spend some time with the baby. I'm gonna do an outro. I might do it in the morning, or if I'm about to go do something else. I don't know. Yeah, I'll just do the outro in the morning probably. Because I wanna show you guys my face, but I need to do my eyebrows, lashes, and everything else. Because I don't like being on the camera looking so crazy all the time. So, I didn't introduce you guys. Well, I didn't introduce. I was gonna say I didn't introduce you guys to my car, but I wanted to do the outro of the video of me going to get my toes done and everything like that. I have since then put on this wig and dyed the ends like an emerald green color. Mela is in the back seat chewing on her socks. You caught. But I just left Starbucks. I got oat milk espresso with vanilla cold foam, and I also got a grilled cheese. I'm on my way to Rainbow to get some outfits. Okay, you guys, so I don't know if the AC is too loud, so let me just turn it down just a little bit, because I'm pretty sure it's going to be sounding like the window is down. She's under, oh, drop down. You on your booby? Say hi. Say, mommy, let me finish eating, girl. Alright, so I went inside of Rainbow. I told myself I was only going to spend $20 because I wanted to look at the clearance rack. And what made me want to go in there was the freaking clearance sale. They had like a big sale. But I wound up spending $75 inside of Rainbow. But usually clothes is so worth it for me. And I also bought shoes. I'm tired of wearing the same thing over and over and over. And my boyfriend, he gives me a lot of money, so you know, you just can't be walking around the house looking crazy. Like, you just can't do that. So this is some shoes that I decided to get. I like to wear shoes like this around the house and be pretty around the house. I've been going to sleep in freaking, you know, just like clothes that feel comfortable, and I really needed some pajamas. So I got a pajama set too, which I'm gonna show y'all next. And then I'm gonna show y'all my waist trainer, because right now I am sweating. Let me see if I can put y'all over here. I don't wanna, you know. Okay, this is fine. So this is my waist trainer. It is by Yana, something like that. And it's the regular latex one, the original waist trainers. And the inside is like, you know, some fabric. But this one does me the best. This is a size medium. Hold on. This is a size medium. I am 5'6", 5'7", and I'm like 180 pounds. So if this fits good and shapes me well, and you're around that, like, you know, height and weight, then this should fit you very good. And I have a very long torso. I don't know if that matters. I got these. I hate these shoes, right? And I decided to get them because I seen someone with like a bodysuit on and these shoes on, and they looked so like relaxed and so cute. So I just picked some up because they were only like $10. I also got this. This is the robe to go to my pajama set that I was telling you guys about. And it's just like hearts on it, and it's camouflage. Then this is the shirt, and it says nothing but love. It's like a little t-shirt. I do not like the wife beaters, like the wife beater look on the set. I don't like it. So I like these are the shorts that go with it, like the little frillies on the outside, make my butt look big and good. I definitely have another story for y'all too, so I'm gonna do a story time. I'm promising so much in this video, but now that I got the camera in front of me, like, I'm excited to get back to doing it. I also bought this dress. This dress is like a collar and long sleeves and like that material that's like flowy. This is so pretty. This is a large because I did not want it to be too short. If it's not as tight as I want it to be, then I'll probably come back for a smaller size. I got this very pretty cup. This cup is so pretty. Yeah. So I got this cup because I'm always drinking out of plastic cups or reusing cups from going to places, or, you know, getting slushies and stuff like that. If I have my own cup, it's free down here for me. Because you know, Wawa, if you take a cup in there, you can get a slushie. 7-Eleven, everything like that. Like, it's a lot of places where you could go and reuse these cups, even home. I did like the ones that had like the flip top, but those were like athletic cups and I wasn't feeling that. So I just got that cup, and it wasn't as pretty. Like, it didn't catch my eye like how I wanted, you know. Like, it didn't make me be like, okay, I need to buy this. Like, it didn't feel like that. And even when I was trying to put stuff down, like, I'm like, damn, because I picked up some tights and I picked up like some regular color, like solid color t-shirts just to have on stuff to wear. But I have things like that, and I'm tired of walking around looking like that. So I just got clothes that actually look like clothes, you know, so I could look pretty. And these shades are the shit. These are so pretty on me. I love big shades on me, and I love the way it like fades out. Like, you got clear and you got it real dark. Look real shiny. Look real expensive. Look real expensive. Okay. And then I got this bodysuit. So this was the bodysuit. This is a large. I had a medium bodysuit in the crotch rip. So these particular ones are sewed up to where I feel like it won't do that, and the fabric is thicker, way thicker, and the top has no straps, which is pretty. I like it. And I love this brown color. If y'all haven't noticed, like, the browns on this look really good. All right, but that was $75 worth of clothes, which is actually pretty good, right? So it's pretty good. And I picked up some nice stuff. I'm kind of glad I didn't pick up the extra what's it called though, because that did not make no sense. But it was just like black tights, black short tights and stuff like that, and I put it back. I'm glad I had the strength to put that back, because I was not trying to put back this bodysuit. Like, I wasn't trying to put nothing back, but I was not trying to spend so much in Rainbow when I went in there for a sale. And I still have to go inside of Walmart and get some juice and some water, because we're almost out at home. And I'm like, can't put your bowl back on? No, don't make me cover up the boob. Okay, can I put your bowl back on? But she like, girl, what you do? Girl, if you pull that boob back out, you better get full, because we about to go inside of Walmart, and I do not want you cutting up on me. But every time I go somewhere there, everybody always be like, she is so pretty, so calm, so, you know. And it's crazy because that's what her name means. Her name is Mela. It means sweet. It means kind and gentle. and in Latin it means honey. So yeah, I love that. My daughter Kylie named her, and Chloe was a name that I originally picked. I have a daughter named Kylie. Chloe obviously is always like, you know, like, oh, you trying to name them after the Kardashians, da 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 da. No, those are just names that I really love, you know. But it's her middle name, so her name is Mella Chloe, and I love her first name as well. Yeah. Is there anything else I'm missing or I need to tell you guys about? No. I don't think so. Do I have anywhere else to go after Walmart? I think I'm probably just gonna go back home and probably either take a walk around or I don't know. Because I'm doing a lot of walking with the stroller and everything now. So I don't know how I'm going to be feeling. But I do want to walk though and put on my waist trainer today. So the extra might be good. This might be bowling bubble back on her head. She is enjoying her booby. Alright, comment down below if you are a breastfeeding mother and some tips and tricks that you use to keep breastfeeding. She's 5 months. Or how long did you breastfeed? Yeah, so comment down below. I guess I'm gonna just be sitting here in the car until she's done, until I could put her in the car seat and go to Walmart and just enjoy my espresso. Brown sugar, vanilla cold foam, oat milk espresso. Yeah. So blonde espresso, vanilla cold foam, oat milk, brown sugar. I like it.